Alright, I'm out at my buddy's house and I figured I'd give the 200QX a flight without the landing gear. See what it looks like with that. Little water in the background. Pretty windy, but no problem for this thing. Kind of cool without the landing gear. A little bit harder to see orientation, but looks cool. Wow, wind's kicking up. This thing doesn't care one bit. Something a little nerve-wracking about flying over water. Doesn't really feel like it flies much different without the landing gear. Yeah, the wind's really pushing around. Probably got, I don't know, what, 20, 30 mile an hour gusts going on right now. Turn with the wind there, it gets quick. Say it again, what's that? Oh yeah, scare all the geese and birds away and stuff. Man, I'm still like just barely over half throttle even in all this wind. Whoa. There's the wind doing some weird stuff with it. Oh my gosh, see the shirt wagging in the wind there. Yeah, it has auto stabilization, it's got accelerometers in it, so it auto levels, and yeah, it really helps with the wind fighting. And it's got really strong motors for its size, so a ton of power to fight the wind. And I'm still barely over half a throttle flying into the wind. Man, it's just such a weird, nervous feeling flying over water. Like, it's really no different than flying over grass, but it's just that extra risk of if I do crash, it's no longer just a crash, it's now I've got to go swimming for a dead quad. Hopefully this is showing up on video alright. I got some pretty gray, overcast skies. It looks pretty cool without the landing gear though. Real sleek, low profile look to it. You're good, you're fine. I'm not gonna hit you. Man, the wind's kicking. Oh my gosh. I'd say we've got at least 30 mile an hour wind going on right now. go. That's the Blade 200QX with no landing gear, flying in some high winds over some water at my buddy's house. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.